The first aid box. First aid boxes should be identified by a white cross on a green background. A paediatric first aid box should include a leaflet giving general guidance on first aid, disposable gloves, face shields for CPR, low adherent dressings, hypoallergenic adhesive tape. This is good for holding a dressing in place or to fasten a bandage. Hypoallergenic plasters in various sizes, wound dressings, individually wrapped and sterile, a foil blanket. This is a good insulator. Eye wash or sterile water, good for cleaning eyes, small cuts, etc. Scissors. Ensure they are rounded. These are also known as shearers. A triangular bandage, good for supporting fractures. Ensure there is an inventory on the box. Do not put sprays, antiseptic wipes, creams, lotions, tablets or medicines in a first aid kit. You should have a first aid box that is HSE, Health and Safety Executive, approved. This ensures it is stocked appropriately. Ensure that all first aid boxes are stored in a safe, secure and dry place, in order that everyone at work can access it easily. Ensure all contents are replenished and in date at all times.